Okay, today we will be taking a look at Zorin OS 9. Now, the idea behind this distro is to make it easier for Windows users to switch over from Linux. Now, Zorin OS 9 is actually based off Ubuntu 14.04, which is not the newest version. Actually, the newest version is 16.04. But since 14.04's got support for something like until 2020, was it? I don't know, something like that. You should be good running this. And now I think the first thing you'll notice is it's got a very Windows-like user interface, and that's the whole idea. Where that's going below the line there, that's just a VirtualBox bug. That doesn't happen in real hardware. But I think for a start, we should take a look at what applications you get. I mean, your accessories, it's just fairly standard stuff. Your terminal, your text editor, your screenshot, files, disks, character map, calculator, backup, archive manager. In your games, once again, standard stuff. Mines, is solitaire, you know, mahjong. Let's have a look at the mines. Yeah, it's pretty bog standard Minesweeper, honestly. In your graphics, wrong button, graphics, you've got your document viewer, the new image manipulation program, which is your photo editor, an image viewer, LibreOffice Draw, Shotwell, and SimpliScan. In your internet, you've got your desktop sharing, Empathy, instant messaging, Firefox, remote desktop, Thunderbird, and Zorin website, web browser manager rather. Now the interesting thing about Zorin is it comes with loads of Zorin exclusive apps, you know, like Zorin Web Manager and that sort of thing. Now another thing about Zorin is there's actually 3 editions. There's the Core, the Business, and the Ultimate edition. The Core is completely free and is what you see here. The Ultimate edition and the Business edition, you have to pay for those. I'm not sure how much it is, but I know they are not free. And also there's a light version which is free. Now there's a little bit of a thing going on in the open source software community whether or not you should be paying for free software like you do with Zorin, but personally I think in Zorin what you're paying for is somebody to set up your system for you. Because obviously if you're new to Linux, you won't know what software is available. Well, if you get Zorin, it comes with all the software you'd ever want or need. So, I don't know. You're free to buy the Ultimate if you want to. If you don't want to, get the Core. Nothing wrong going on there. In your Office stuff, you get the full LibreOffice and a document view once again. LibreOffice, of course, being like Microsoft Office, so out of the box here with the Core version, you can do all your Office tasks, unlike in Windows where you have to buy Microsoft Office. In sound and video, you've got Disk Burner, Cheese, OpenShot for editing your videos, Rhymebox, Sound Recorder, and a video player. So, you know, you got a video editor out of the box, similar to Windows Movie Maker. I think I should probably show you the video editor. Also, it comes with Compared by Default, which is where all these animations come from. It's not that slow on real hardware, it's just because, of course, VirtualBox. Yeah, it's just like Windows Movie Maker. Got a fairly nice blue theme going on there, but that can be changed, as we'll see in a minute. Your system tools, you've got administration, preferences, not really anything there. But you've got Zorin Look Changer, where you can make it, you know, change looks. Also Windows 7, XP, or GNOME 2. In the Ultimate Edition, you get more looks. I believe in the Ultimate one, you get a Mac look, a Windows 2000 look, and a Unity look. But just so we can see it, let's see what the XP look looks like. Yeah, kind of what you'd expect. Looks kind of like Windows XP. So if that's what you're familiar with, you can change it to look like that. Also, there's a gnome 2 look, so obviously if you're coming over from Ubuntu, this will of course be familiar look. Let's keep it like that, because it's what I know. In other, you've obviously got your another actually no, come to think of it, another interesting thing is this actually comes with wine. So out of the box, you can of course run your Windows applications, which is good for a new user. Also, you get Play on Linux, which will help you if, say, Wine doesn't run your Windows app out of the box. One thing to note for any of you new users that are watching is Wine isn't perfect. It will not run everything all the time. It's about as close to perfect as you're going to get, besides a virtual machine though. In your administration stuff, you can get all the stuff you'd expect. You also get Synaptics Package Manager, which is pretty good. You also get a theme changer, which you can change it to Zorin light, blue, or dark. So if you're into your dark themes, you can set that, and it's as easy as a click of a button, which is cool. Yep. In the Ultra version, once again, you actually get a I forget what it's called now. Zorin Background Plus, I think it's called. No, Zorin Background, something along those lines. Basically, you get, well, animated backgrounds. It's kind of cool. In the way of wallpapers, you've got up to this by default, which looks cool. But you also get some other wallpapers. Also, yeah, it's faster than this on real hardware, trust me. Yeah, these are all your wallpapers. Pretty good. I personally like this one. I think it'd look cool with the dark theme. And I think to finish off, we should show their site, just to show that, well, you know, show what their selling points are and what have you. So let me just, oh, also you get a custom Google search tool, which is kind of cool. You can obviously choose between all these. Search up Zorin OS, hop over to their site. Yeah, well, their main selling point is that it's super secure, immune to Windows viruses. It's faster than Windows, although probably not as fast as your typical Linux OS, purely because of all the compiz and everything that's installed. And you get loads of software out of the box, which you do, especially with the Ultimate Edition. The only edition available now is Zorin OS 9. Usually there's 2 editions, but obviously they've pulled one of them because it's no longer in support. Yeah, as you can see, you've got all kinds of different versions. You've got Core, Light, Business, which is €9, I think that measurement is, and Ultimate, and down here you've got Educational and Educational Light. So obviously if you're a student, you may not necessarily have the best laptop, so you can put this on and you'd be all good to go. And well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.